Hey foodies, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing curried fried shrimp. It is super simple and the perfect appetizer. Let's get started. Alright guys, so let's start with the ingredients. This is a well requested recipe and I'm going to show you how I make it. So here I have my shrimp already prepped, washed, deveined, all that good stuff. And for the breading, I'll be using some all-purpose flour, some cornstarch, garlic and onion powder, black pepper, some Old Bay seasoned salt, and some curry powder. For the seasoning, I have here some garlic and onion powder, some Old Bay seasoned salt, black pepper, some curry powder, garam masala, some roasted jeera or cumin, and I'll be using 2 eggs. The recipe is super simple, so let's get into it. So first things first, you want to go ahead and just season your shrimp with all that goodness. We're going to add the egg as well. Mix until everything is very well combined and set that aside. Now you want to go ahead and just combine those seasonings with your flour and cornstarch. Mix that well and set that aside. Next, we're going to go ahead and coat our shrimp very well in that seasoned flour, and then we're going to set them aside. You want to carry on with this same process until all your shrimp is breaded. So today I'll be using my electric fryer and I will add some canola oil and allow it to heat up. You can use your stove top if you like. Once it heats up, we're going to add our shrimp in there and allow them to fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. You don't want to overcook them. Make sure your oil is super hot. You can do 375 Fahrenheit or 400. Once they become nice and golden brown, you want to pull them out, and this is what they look like, guys. The recipe is super quick and easy, like I said, and it is perfect for a nice gathering, a party, anything that you want to have some finger foods at. This is the perfect recipe. We're going to continue this process until all our shrimp is fried, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. So here you have it, curried fried shrimp. Like I said, it's the perfect appetizer. You don't need any sauce or dip or anything for this. It is so flavorful and delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try the recipe. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.